Hello guys, so now we will work with the selection of all the notifications. Okay, we are now going to our localhost and in notification database I have created some notifications mostly targeting Jennifer Lawrence, which has the ID 2. Okay, now we want to select all the notifications which are related to Jennifer Lawrence. Okay, so we will write the SQL command here, and then we will integrate it into our PHP development environment. Okay, so first of all, we will write here select space, and we want to select notifications dot by user ID comma break, then notifications dot user ID comma break, then notifications dot type comma break, then we have notifications dot view comma break, then notifications dot date created comma break, then we're going to the users dot first name comma, then users dot last name comma break, then users dot email comma break, then users dot ava comma break, then users dot cover comma break, then we have a users dot birthday comma break, then we have users dot gender comma break, then users dot bio. Okay, this is I gonna extend it. Okay, so we want to select it from notifications and we want to join it. So then we'll write join users, because we're also accessing the information from the users table. Join users on users dot id equals to notifications dot by user id. Okay, very good. So then we're writing where notifications dot user id equals to, this is our Jennifer Lawrence ID, and notifications dot by user ID is in. So we'll just write in, and here I'm making breaks. I'm opening closing the round brackets, and now in the round brackets I will write the SQL command which will select all of my friends. So here I write select users dot id, then from friends space, then we will write left join. So from friends space, then left join space users, then space on, then again opening and closing the round brackets. In the second round brackets we're writing users dot id equals to friends dot friend id, sorry, friends dot user id, friends dot user id space and space friends dot friend id equals to, and then we continue here. I will make a break. Here we will write or users.id equals to friends dot friend id and friends dot user id will be equals to. So coming out from the first round brackets, then we write where friends dot friend id equals to, or friends dot user id equals to. Okay, so this command selects all the user IDs of all of our friends. These are all the columns which we want to select. So here we are merging notifications table and the users table, where ID are equals, are matching. Okay, then we will here continue. So where notifications.user ID equals current user, or by user some of our friends, and here we will write or notifications dot user ID equals to and notifications dot by user ID equals to. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I click go. So here we go. So in my case, I have a notification received from Daniel Craig, which is following me. I received a comment notification from Bradley Cooper, and that Jennifer Lawrence, she liked her own photo. So just let's make sure. So this is Bradley Cooper, ID 1 is a comment to Jennifer Lawrence. Then Daniel Craig 3 is following Jennifer Lawrence, which is ID 2 follow. So everything now works fine. Okay, so this is the SQL command which works, and just make sure that there is no any error you have made. So okay, that is the one. You can pause the video, and that is the one. Now we'll go to the access.php and we will integrate it. So I'm writing here a new function, which is a function will be select notifications. Select notification, open and close round brackets, then open curly brackets. So here we are declaring a new variable SQL. Make sure to put double quotation marks, and in this double quotation marks we will now insert our SQL command. So I just copy, paste, insert. I'll just select this. I'll click tab to align it in a way to make it more readable. Okay, so here I will do, first of all, I'll replace all digits too with the parameter which is ID, dollar symbol ID. So we will replace all digits with the actual ID. So I got it here in the where function. Then while selecting the friends, I have it 1, 2, 3, 4, then I have it here 5, 6. Okay, so that is not the end. After that I will go and write two more here conditional statements. It will be order by notifications dot date underscore created by descending order, like that. Please make sure that there is no typos. So then we'll write limit and offset limit, then dollar symbol limit, and then offset dollar symbol offset. This is what we're writing. So the same two parameters will include here limit, comma, then dollar symbol offset, then dollar symbol offset. Okay, everything fine here. So that is the SQL command. And then we will prepare this for the execution. We'll write statement equals to dollar symbol this, then con, then arrow, prepare our SQL, then semicolon at the end. So then we'll check for having any errors. If open close round brackets, then open curly brackets. In the round bracket, write statement, and here write throw new exception. Then in the round brackets, make a reference to statement error. Okay, very good. So after that, we are going to execute it. So here we will write statement arrow execute semicolon at the end. Very good. So then we will run this. we're gonna run it. And to run it, we will have to write here $symbol statement arrow get result. So after the execution, we need to get result, and I'll assign the result to the new variable, which is a result. And we need to here put semicolon at the end as well. So after that, we will here declare a new array. Notifications will be equals to array to store this everything, open and close round brackets, then semicolon at the end. Then we'll use while loop, while open and close round brackets, then open curly brackets. In the round brackets here, we will write raw equals to result arrow fetch associated, and here to notification open and close square brackets equals raw. Okay, semicolon at the end, and finally we want to return our notifications. Return $symbol notification, semicolon at the end. Okay, very good. So this is first of all SQL command for execution or to be executed. This function selects all notifications of current user. Okay, so here we are preparing SQL for execution. Checking, here we are checking for errors. Here we are executing it. Here we are getting all results. This is new array to store notifications. Then here we are appending each row one by one to notifications variable, and here we are returning array with this function. Okay, so that is actually the entire function which returns all the notifications. Just let me make sure the last two lines that it's written correctly. Offset I will use 0, which means skip, and limit, let's say 20. I'll click go, and here we go. Here we go, everything working fine. Okay, so this is actually the entire protocol and the entire function which allows us to select the notifications. Okay, let's now go to the PHP file and write the scenario of selecting all the notifications. Let's go and do this.